about to watch is what I call a 3-in-1 video, because I'll be sharing with you 3 important things you just need to know about the Ruby ecosystem. And if someone is able to watch a particular video to the end, somebody will be lucky to get their first Web3 job as a human validator on the Ruby ecosystem. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe, click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime we upload any other new video. And also, I will appreciate if you could just comment below in the comment of this particular video. So let's dive into the 3 important things which I'll be sharing with you. So the first one is that the Ruby on their X actually created a post about employing more human validators. So in this particular video, I'll be sharing with you the things which you actually need to put in place for you to be qualified to become one of the validator for the Ruby ecosystem. This is one of those things that you don't need a 9-to-5 job, that you could just sit, putting on your pajamas at the comfort of your home and just verifying people, and I tell you, you get paid. So in this particular video, before I will conclude it, I will be telling you the time you'll be getting paid and how this particular thing work. I tell you, a lot of people who are able to come across the particular video will be able to land their first Web3 job. So as you all know that currently every miners on the Ruby ecosystem have to complete their KYC currently, and a lot of people have been performing this particular KYC, which makes the number of people applying for KYC to be very much, I think, and their little validator making the process of validating to be very low. If you want to get your KYC done, you just have to come to the particular place, you tap on it. So one thing you need to do also is to come to this user verification. You tap on user verification, you could see this particular aspect here which say eKYC. You see not verified. Anytime I'm verifying my own particular one, I'll be doing a video to show you a step-by-step process on how to get your KYC done. So you tap on it, you just have to read this particular instruction. After you read it, then you can just tap continue and do it. And you know that some of the requirements that you need to have for you to have your KYC approved is that you have to have mined 30 Ruby or been able to buy 30 Ruby, have it on your Ruby. And another thing is that the number of Ruby you're able to give out to the validators to validate your identity will actually determine how fast your KYC will get approved. Let's say you are using 2, it can take like 4 to 8 days before you get your KYC approved. And those that use higher number of Ruby, let's say like 8, 4, can get their KYC approved within minutes. So I think this is one of the major reasons why the Ruby ecosystem is actually looking for more of human validator, not AI currently. So let's go to their X account page and look at the post that they tweet on their X account page. So I could look at the requirement which everyone needs to become a validator. Meaning the requirement you need for you to get your first Web3 job, if you're able to follow this particular video. And before I'm able to conclude this particular video, I will be sharing a Telegram group. It was also shared by the Ruby ecosystem, where you can just trade with merchants to buy your Ruby for your KYC verification. So let me go back to my X and show you the post they made today. You could see that this post was from the RUBI Network news. Yes, you could see it here that it was from them. It says, just in, do you want to become a Ruby Network validator? Here is a few steps by step approach on how to become a Ruby validator. So for you to become a Ruby validator, the first thing you need to know or you have to put in place is that validator will help to keep the network KYC verification saver. These are some of your job requirements. Yeah, these are what you just need to know, that you have to help people get their KYC verification saver. Validator helps to improve overall efficiency of the KYC verification system, making the process faster. 3, these are just your jobs as a KYC verificator that you need to know. Currently, Ruby Network experienced a large volume. There are a large number of people, of miners, wanting to get their verification requests, leading to a large number of backlog of unattended KYC due to limited number of KYC validator. Applying to and becoming validator will help the system clear of the backlog, help verify your fellow community member and improve their trust and participant while remaining relevant to the ecosystem. And this is not what they are asking you to just do for free. You will get paid in Ruby. I tell you, that's major reason why I think if you are someone, if I'm someone like you, I'll actually go in for this validator position also, because it's a good thing. Apart from the payment, for the knowledge purpose also, it is a very good thing. So for validator reward, as a Ruby network validator, you'll be rewarded in crypto. You do see, you get paid in crypto every Sunday afternoon UTC time to be announced. So Ruby network use proof of contribution or proof of participant algorithm. It will be an extra opportunity beyond mining to participate in a more depth ecosystem activities. Now let's dive in how to become a validator. So one of those things you just need to know is that you get paid in crypto. So how to become a validator? Number one, these are what you need to have at hand. Candidate who wish to become a validator needs to prepare a certain amount of Ruby coin to stake. So you have to stake some Ruby coin that you can use as a collateral for their job responsibilities. So now the number of Ruby that you have to stake hasn't been yet be announced. So that's why you have to follow my particular channel. When it is announced, I will also share with you in this particular channel of mine. So be prepared to acquire some Ruby token either through mining or buying from verified merchants. Don't worry, I'll be sharing the merchant group link, which I'll be dropping in the comment of this particular video also. And if you haven't started mining Ruby, I'll be dropping my referral link and code in the description of this particular YouTube video, and also other posts and videos I've created about the Ruby ecosystem, how to mine and every other thing you just need to know. I'll be dropping it in the description. So please kindly make sure you watch them. So too, you must have your KYC. So before you become a validator and start verifying people, you yourself, you have to get verified before you can be accepted into the validator program. Therefore, once you get a system invitation, endeavor to complete your verification process quicker. Refers to our other posts on how to avoid KYC mistakes, because a lot of people coming to you asking you question. Just need to know a lot of things about this Ruby ecosystem, on how to people to become saver. So all these things you just have to know, be well equipped about this particular Ruby. That's why I urge you to follow them on next, so that you could get to know a lot of things happening with them. So three, you'll be ready to accept training in the process, grant access. So this is also a way by which you just need to get educated in the Web3 space and in the crypto space also. You get to learn a lot of things. So aside from the money, you'll be able to gain some certain amount of knowledge, which will not be a waste, which will be part of your crypto journey. So four, you will read and understand the information security commitment, undergo a short training and accept the validator terms of operation and policy. If you're a validator, you'll be granted access and perform verification work on your mobile phone. So this one of those things I love it, that it's not until you have a system or a laptop. With your mobile phone, I believe that you'll be able to validate people, which is very cool, because with your mobile phone and your data, you'll be able to validate people, which I believe those of you watching this particular video currently, you have as at now. So the fifth one is that this is a part-time flexible job. Yes, you don't need to go to office, sitting at your home on your pajamas, sitting on your sofa. You can start this job and start validating people and getting paid. You get paid based on your performance and are paid in digital assets. This is a good one. So since you have the right to request to stop participating in the KYC program at any time. So free entry and free exit. Nothing that is at force or you be tied down. No, it's a free thing that you can go in at any time and just opt out at any time you like. So are you excited to become a Ruby network validator? Let's say you're excited. So this is, I think, what you need to know. So let me quickly share you the Telegram group, which I've dropped in the link in the description of this particular video. So this is a verified Ruby merchant group. You could see it here. We have around 907 subscribers, and you could see the top boy is written verified Ruby merchant. So you can just trade with any of the merchants, they are trusted. So Ruby says start in less than. So you can just trade with them. You could see the pictures of those that have been buying Ruby. So you can actually buy Ruby from them and to get your KYC done. So these are just the merchant as at now. These are the merchant where you can buy rubies from, which are approved by the Ruby Network system. You can just buy from them and just get your KYC approved. So I think it's better you just do it now before it gets tough and before it gets harder and before it gets more, let me say, more tough. So if the video was helpful, please kindly click on the bell notification and also subscribe to this particular YouTube channel. And also I'll be waiting for your comment in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye for now.